Hi, I'm Rachel from Ecotech Windows Doors. Today we're here on site in Burlington, replacing a whole house of beautiful new windows. Come on in and I'll show you what we're doing. Today we're replacing the entire house of windows and doors. We're doing brick-to-brick style installation. We've got triple pane windows going in, and we've got our new exclusive color, Silhouette, on the exterior of these windows. They look so beautiful. Behind me here, we have the old windows and doors. Yes, we do take those away once we're completed, and you can tell the difference right away between the old ones here and what we freshly installed. It's an absolute night and day difference. When we do a brick-to-brick style installation, it quite literally means brick to brick. We take everything out down to the brick layer and the studs. We put the new window in, we go around the new window with expansion spray foam so that it's airtight and watertight around it. On the interior, we put up new casings for you, and on the exterior, we're gonna do a fresh bead of caulking. So part of this brick-to-brick installation entails new jamb extensions and new casings. Here we have a picture window with the nice and slim frames, and on either side we have operational casement windows that open to a 90-degree angle. We've got the screens on the interior so you get the nice shiny glass look from the exterior. Behind me here we have what I like to call the kitchen sink window. It's one of our awning windows. So what happens is we have a lock on either side. The crank that folds down goes in the center and it opens to about a 45-degree angle from the bottom out. It's beautiful for the kitchen sink because you end up with a nice picture view of your backyard when it's not open. Look how gorgeous. It's obviously not done yet, but beautiful. If you're looking to upgrade your windows and doors, give us a call or visit us online at ecotechwindows.ca.